Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 8 of my PySimpleGUI lessons. In today's video, we're going to learn how to update text elements. So first, let's put in all of the normal stuff like import PySimpleGUI as SG, and then the layout equals we can put a text element in it, and I can put my name, Charles, and then let's give this a key. Key is, let's call it text. For here, text, and then after the text element, we can put a button. We can call the button like to display the words like on it, and then window equals sg.window Python learning layout, and then the while true loop, while true event values equals window.read, and then if event equals none, then we break, and then we do window.close. Okay, so if we run this, it will be a simple window with Charles and then like. You can click the button, but we haven't coded anything for it yet, so it does nothing. Okay, now let's make some updating changes. So in order to update, in the while true loop, you need another if statement. You can write if event equals like. The like here is from the like in the button. This is the same thing. So this statement is basically if the button B is pressed, then the stuff after this will be triggered. So to update, there's this function called window and then square brackets, the key you want. So for this, we made a key for this. So we copy this and paste it in here. And then we can do dot update. The U for update can be capital or lowercase. And then inside, we can put a bunch of attributes. First, there's the value. So if they click the like button, we can say, thanks for the support. Okay, let's test this out. If we run it, and you click the like sign, then it turns into thanks for the support. Okay, some other attributes are the background color. For the background color, it's basically the same as attributes for text element. You can either write a word or a hex code. So for here, let's just write white and run it. So now the background is white, but the text was also white. So now you can't really see the text. So we can change the text color. Text color. Let's change it to red. So now if we run it, click the light button, then the words are now red with a white background, and it changed to thanks for the support. After the text color, you can also change the font. For font, same as last time, you have a tuple. The first one is the font type. We can write Times New Roman, and then the font size, we can write 30. This way, when we run it, the words are now really big, and the font is Times New Roman. And lastly, we have the visible attribute. So visible is a boolean. It can either be true or false. Oh, sorry, I forgot the comma here. It can either be true or false. If we write true, then the update will be shown. Like now we still see everything. However, if this is false, then it won't be visible. Like now you can't see anything here. The element gets hidden. So let's turn this back to true. Yeah, so like that. So in conclusion, this whole thing is needed in order to update a statement. The like here serves as a key for the like here. Since we didn't give sg.b a key, the system automatically refers to what it shows as the key. So we write like, and then the function here, window, square brackets, a key, and then dot update. For the U, it can also be capital. This doesn't matter. If we change it to a capital U and then run it, it still stays the same. Over here, this is the key of what we want to change. Like, we wanted to change this. So this would be a text. And then these are all the attributes it can change. The value changes what the text shows and appears to be. The background color changes the color the background is. The text color changes the color the text is. The font changes the font type and the font size. And the visible changes if it's able to be seen or not. We can put another example here. We can say like, under this, we can write another text element. Let's put it as blank right now and give it a key called alt text. Alt text. So if we want to, instead of changing this and we want to leave Charles here, we can change the alt text. If we turn this into alt text for this, we can run it. We click like, and now thanks for the support is on the bottom. Alright, that concludes lesson 7 of my PySimpleGUI. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, learning at work for tuition is easier than addition.